All right, howdy friends, Russell here. Wanted to do an unboxing and initial impressions of a tool. Normally I buy snap-on ratchets, snap-on sockets, and they are good. It's great quality, made in USA, blah, 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 blah. Harbor Freight has recently, within the last year, introduced this Icon line. And I've heard good things about them. They are, contrary to popular belief, they're not made in China. They're actually made in Taiwan. Manufactured in Taiwan. So that's good. Lifetime warranty on them, guarantee. So just go to Snap-on. This is about a third of the cost of a Snap-on ratchet. So I figured I'd try one out. I lost on a previous video. I ended up losing a ratchet, so I actually had to stop the work because I can't work without a ratchet. And I had to go buy one. So here it is. Let's get this unboxed and take a look at it. And this is the professional, low profile 90 tooth 3/8 drive ratchet. The snap-on ratchets are generally 80 tooth, so yeah, we'll see. Simple enough boxing. It looks like it comes with some sort of microfiber for wiping the tool down, but okay. It's hefty. Nice chromium. Good heft and weight to it. The pawl is good and stiff. It'll hold a socket really well. The tighten and loosen, or right, left, on, off, however you want to call it, engages cleanly. It's solid. I think I'm going to like it. I know this is not the first Icon tool I've purchased. I bought one of their torque wrenches earlier in the year, and so far I like it. So this could be the new go-to for tools. And don't get me wrong, Snap-on makes good stuff, but for a third of the price and quality construction, not made in China with a lifetime guarantee, shoot, I'll try it out. Yeah. Why pay more than you don't have when you don't have to? Let me know in the comments if you guys have been using Icon tools or who your go-to tool company is. And if you like this content, go ahead and like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications. And as always, there's more to follow.